Hey guys, what's up? My name is Satyam and this is the 37th lecture of Safe Programming tutorial. If you didn't watch the previous tutorial, then I recommend you to go to the backup playlist and watch every tutorial from beginning to last. If you are facing any problem, then you can comment on this tutorial and you can message me on Facebook and I'll tell you what will be exact answer. In previous tutorial, we are talking about the function and in this tutorial I am going to tell you something in how we have to use the argument, list of argument. Oh, okay, so let us start. So I told you we have to use the return type. Okay, not return, that's return. Mm, that's return type. Okay, and name of function. And whatever you want you can write here. That's the name of function, one thing, and after that what you have to use parentheses, and then in the parentheses you have to use the list of argument. Okay, and after that what we have to use, we have to use braces so that it can work. Okay, so I am going to give a quick example of the this return type, how we made any program on this return type. So okay, so that's in return type, that's return type one. Okay, return type one thing is it may be wired, it may be end, and name of function, whatever you want to write here in the place of name of function, that anything maybe, and list of argument, what we have to put in the value list of argument, that may be what. Okay, let us click value. So in the return type I'm going to okay, so let us start. Return type I'm going to do void. Okay, void, and I'm going to build a program so that the I add. So you have to name a function a valid so that the you can understand it. Suppose if you want to subtract two numbers, then you have to name it sub. So you multiply mul. So I'm going to name add. At the in the place of add, you may write anything, whatever you want to write, so you can write here. So, and in the argument what we have to do, if we are adding two number, then argument means you have to pass two number. So you have to pass two number means that you have to put two numbers, so that's it integer. So you have to define int a. Okay, and for separating it you have to use comma, and second is int b. Okay, it is working like the for the right hand. Okay, it's like that. So, and okay, here we define two things. Okay, I define int x. Oh, int x equal to 5 and int y equal to 3. Oops, int y equal to 3. Okay, what? Okay, and so what we have to do, and we have to define here something. We have to add two numbers, so we will come here and we want to add a and b and get result in result. So result would be also integer, so we have to declare the int result. Okay, int result, and so result equal to whatever if this is a and b, and what we passed in argument, that should be here. So result equal to 1. Oops, what here, a plus b. Okay, and let us see. So we made a function that's name is add, and what we have to do, we have to call it. So add. Okay, so 5 comma 3, and this. Okay, and here we have to print something. Print here the sum of this 5 and 3. Okay, wait 1 minute. If x equal to 5, then we are passing, then value of a equal to 5, and he again we are then passing, then value of b became 3. Okay, that's not xy, so that's another thing. Here a become 5, and when we are passing, then b become 3. So printf the sum of what we have to write, the sum of, not of, percentage, first percentage is a, and this percentage a and percentage b is not, it is percentage a, and what percentage d contain, that's its result. So here we write a and here we write b. Oops. And what we have to write here, b, and after we have to write result. Okay, it's working good. Yeah, it's working. I hope it will run, and we will get output 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Let us save it, compile it. Oops, this is not valid. Let's remove it. Okay, save it. Let's compile it. Mirror. The sum of 5 and 3 is 8. Okay, first this, when we are using this, okay, I am going to tell you a more quick and one thing more. Okay, let us suppose you declare something like that here, int m equal to 4, okay, and int n equal to 3. 4 plus 3 equal to what this? Oops. And here you add in parentheses, you write these things. Okay, in place of 5 and 3 you may write x and y. It's working. And okay, I'm going to tell you, here you write m comma n. Okay, so let us save it. Okay, save it, compile it. Okay, working. Oh, one thing more, we have to use here backslash n, not this, that backslash. Oops, what? Okay, so save it, compile it, and run it. Yeah, ta-da. So see here is swing. In we pass m and n, m equal to 4 and n equal to 3, so the sum of 4 and 3 is 7, and here we pass 5 and 3. In place of 5 and 3 you may pass x and y. That will work, that's no problem. Okay, I am saying again, here we have to pass, you want to say, here you want to pass not z, that's x, and here you want to say, you want to pass here y. So again, save it and compile it. Both output would be same, there is no difference between this and this. You can see. Oops, you can see here, in place of x and y you may pass 5 and 3, and here you pass m and n. So I want to show you that if whatever here, if what would ever you would pass here, that would be there. First you pass x, and the x equal to 5, then a value become 5, and again you pass y, then what's y equal to 3, then